If I want to make over $300 on TikTok now, this is what I will do. All I will do is make sure my account is up to 10k followers, have a good engaging audience, and have good interactions on my videos. And I will focus on just one thing. Focus on the niche that people are talking about currently. If you're looking to make quick $300, focus on the niche that is currently trending. For example, around 2 months ago, over a month ago, Donald Trump and Kamala Harris were going head to head for the presidential election in the US. This is all I will do. I will make sure I pick a side and focus mostly on that audience. For example, the Kamala Harris audience are mostly the Gen Zs, so you make sure you focus on the Gen Z audience that's supporting Kamala Harris, or you focus on Donald Trump and pick up on a particular way to make sure you focus on Donald Trump. That way, you're making money whilst you being a content creator on TikTok. And these are the countries that are eligible to make money on TikTok. The countries are Germany, Spain, UK, France, Italy, and US. These are countries that can make money on TikTok. If you want to create accounts in those countries, all you have to do is reach out to someone that's in those countries and they'll create an account for you. And when you get it back here in your wherever location you are, you check it back into the account in 4 to 5 days. Then you start creating content on TikTok. For you to make money on TikTok, actually, to make over $300 on TikTok, your videos have to be 1 minute, over 1 minute long, and you make sure your videos is the kind of video that people can consume repeatedly without even knowing that they're consuming it more than once. For example, TikTok has the thing what they call normal views and qualified views. And for you to make money on TikTok, you have to hit the qualified views revenue. Let me give an example. If you hit a normal view of 10 million views and your qualified view is around 800,000, you are losing content and you are losing money. So make sure your content is a content that people can consume well. At least a 10 million view video should at least be a qualified view of at least 7 million qualified views. That way, you're making sure you're making money and your content is not going to the bin on TikTok. All you have to do is make your content at least 2 minutes long and make sure people are binge watching more than 1 minute. What I mean by more than 1 minute is 1 minute and 30 seconds, 1 minute and 40 seconds. That way, they are watching your videos repeatedly. And like I said earlier, pick a niche that is very well niched down on TikTok so you can make your quick $300 on TikTok and get out of the app. If you still want to stay on the app, you can stay. If you want to come out, you can come out. But I'm going to advise you, pick a niche that is profitable currently. Don't pick a niche that is long term. Unless you're looking to make money in the long term. But if you want to make a quick $300, make sure you pick a niche that is trending currently. Example, the presidential election that trended last month, or currently there is football, Jude Bellingham, Lamine Yamal, all these current young stars footballers become a commentary account on TikTok and talk about these young stars, criticize their football skills, criticize their careers, talk about how they will do well, how they would have done well, and you will get a lot of views. And those views will be qualified views. Why I am sure it's going to be qualified views, because once you talk about Lamine Yamal or Jude Bellingham or all these big, super big footballers that are rising now, people that are their audiences or their followers will definitely want to watch to the end and see where you're heading to. And when you do that, they are watching the video to the end, and that's a good qualified view, right? You do understand? And make sure your videos are applying on the For You page. That means your video has to really go viral for you to make money on TikTok. Yes, for your video has to go viral. If it's when people come to your page that they watch your video, that's when you can make money. That's wrong. Anybody that comes to your page and watch your video for a post that you want to make money from, it's not considered as a qualified view. It's considered as you're trying to manipulate the system. So make sure your videos are well strategic, well put in place, and well controversial, because you're looking to make money from TikTok. Remember, if your TikTok account is not in these countries like I listed in the beginning of this video, like Germany, Spain, UK, France, Italy, and in the US, you are not making money from TikTok content revenue or TikTok's creators revenue. And that's all for this video. Do well to like if you found this video helpful, do well to comment, do well to subscribe, and tap my end screen so you can watch all of my videos. And I will see you guys on my next video. Do well to like, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Do well to drop a comment if you want me to talk about a particular kind of content on how to make money on social media or off social media. Drop a comment in the comment section and I'll definitely check it out. And if it's something I have an idea or a knowledge about, I'll make a video about that as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys on my next video.